Hey guys, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have the Lamin-X front turn signal lens covers for the Polaris Slingshot. If you've ever thought about smoking out your front amber turn signals, you're not alone. We partnered up with Lamin-X to bring you a do-it-yourself pre-cut tinted lens cover kit for not only your front amber turn signals, but your front amber reflectors as well. We understand that some of you may want a subtle tint level and others may want to black out the lenses completely. So we offer this kit from mild to wild with an assortment of different tint levels to accommodate your personal preference. Now follow me as we walk you through the installation process.
Start by thoroughly cleaning the lens of any dirt and debris, and make sure you get the whole surface area, including the edges. Next, take a spray bottle with clean filtered water and lightly spray the surface area. Then peel off the protective backing, making sure you only touch the two little tabs on each end. And then carefully apply the film to the lens surface, followed by a light mist of filtered water from your spray bottle. Now the film is very malleable and flexible, and it's very forgiving, so you can remove and reapply multiple times so you don't have any air pockets, also to ensure that you get that perfect fit. You can use a plastic application card wrapped in a towel if you like, but I found using my fingers to be the best for such a small area. And then do the same for your reflector. Once you're happy with the placement, take an X-Acto knife or razor blade and carefully cut off the two finger tabs on both ends. And then simply repeat the same process for the other side.
As you can see, it's the little things in life that make all the difference. Now, if you feel this product's right for you, head over to slingmods.com today and grab the set for yourself. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button below to stay up to date with all the latest and greatest mods, the Polaris Slingshot. I'm Brandon signing out. We'll see you on the road.